Hi, my name is Peter Reist and we manufacture the Reist infielder used for ball diamond grooming. Just a few of the functions to go over. We start with a serrated cutting edge at the front here, which we set just to skim the very top 1/8 inch of the ball diamond. And then we have a pulverizer roller, which is hinged on hardened steel bushings. So it operates by the weight of itself, and it has a twisted bar roller to pulverize all the coarse shale stuff that comes off. Then we have a hinged leveling blade to level it out, and then a urethane roller, which is in 12-inch sections. And this does not dent because it's like a rubber material. And with the sections, it allows the sections to go different speeds as you're turning, so you don't get any skidding with the roller. We have an optional harrow on this unit here, which is good for weed infestations on the warning tracks, as well as if the ball diamond gets really hard and you can't cut it anymore with a grater blade, you can just use the harrow by itself, put it down, put the whole weight of the machine on the harrow, and actually just rip the surface up, and then pull the harrow up again and groom it. At the back we have a brush, which is adjustable up and down, and we want just enough pressure on there just so the brush touches, plus a little bit, not excess. And then it has a breakaway attachment here, so if you get to the fence and hit a post or something, the unit will just move back and back into place again. It is adjustable with 2 cranks for up and down, and that is the only adjustment on the machine. Everything else is straight with the cutting edge, so it's very simple to operate. We have a water kit on this one with a removable nozzle, and so you can actually go 25 feet and wet down the pitcher's mound and then hook it up again. And it is a boomerator nozzle which sprays the full width of the machine. Helps in dust control. Also with the water kit, it's a great ballast because it holds 50 gallons, which is equal to 500 pounds of weight. So it's great to empty it, to go from diamond to diamond, but fill it up at the diamond and use it as a ballast. On this machine here, and new to the industry, we have a rotary brush, and it's to maintain the edges along between the grass and the infield. As you can see it turning. It is a spring-loaded brush, so when it hits something it can actually go back. And it's also great for in the backstop, so you can run it right against the fence and brush all the material out of the fence back into the diamond, using it up that way. Brush can be easily lifted out of the way. Goes up within the boundaries of the machine, has a lock here to lock it for road transport, and it is a replaceable brush. We'll put the brush down, and we'll actually have the operator run this for a little bit to show you how that works. I just want to talk a little bit on the operation of this machine, which is very important for the function of it. We operate this thing, in this case we have a top link cylinder, which when we lengthen it, the cutting edge comes up. When we shorten it, it goes down, as you can see here. So all the weight is on the back roller when we start grooming, and as we drive, we just start lowering it just so we're cutting the first 1/8 to 1/4 inch of the material. The operator then puts the lower links in a float position, which we call lower link floating. So that fixes this cutting edge halfway between the back roller and the back tractor tire. So wherever you have a high spot, it'll actually grade it off, and where it's a low spot, it'll lose it again. So using this equipment in this way will actually level the diamond totally.
will be a better mix, and with the tines leaning out the back, we can get a more of a leveling effect with that. The rear bar roller pulverizes and packs to a desired density, leaving an attractive finish. We also offer the multi-groomer in models from 4 foot up to 10 foot. The multi-groomer comes in sizes from 48 inch up to 120 inch in width.